Okay, so today we're going to clarify some things around dialogue. Remember that dialogue, or diálogo in Spanish, is a conversation between two or more characters. So I've been seeing a lot of people adding dialogue, and there are a few of you that are following the dialogue rules, and it looks awesome. There's some of you that are just having one person say something. For a diary entry, a dialogue, in order to count for the one dialogue, because you need to have at least one example of dialogue, it has to be a conversation between two or more characters. You can't just have one character say something. You have to have a conversation between characters. And you have to make sure you're following the rules. So let's go over the rules for dialogue. The first rule was, remember that we always start and end dialogue with quotation marks. The second rule, for every new speaker, you start a new line. Number 3, we end our dialogue with punctuation that goes inside the quotation mark. So notice how this period is inside the quote. This comma is inside the quote. Number 4, the first letter in the quote has to be capitalized, even if it's not the beginning of a sentence. The first letter of the quote has to be capitalized. And number 5, you have to make sure that you're using the dialogue tags. All right, so here I have an example from someone in the 5th grade, and they are doing an awesome job of inserting dialogue, but they missed some rules. Actually, I added in some mistakes that this person didn't have for this example. So I want you to see if, notice what I did here, where are the 10 mistakes? Miss Antuna's question. You see how I put the punctuation inside the quotation mark there. So see if you can find the 10 mistakes that I added in from this person's diary entry.